Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest indoor inventions on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best indoor inventions of all time. Today I am going to make video on LCD curved monitor of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Drio Tower Fan. The Drio Tower Fan, specifically the 42-inch Cruiser Pro T1 model, is a sophisticated and functional bladeless fan designed for optimal performance in indoor settings such as homes, bedrooms, offices, and rooms. This quiet, oscillating fan combines modern technology with user-friendly features to provide efficient cooling and convenience. Key features. The bladeless structure of the Drio Tower Fan enhances safety and provides a sleek, contemporary look. This design is particularly beneficial for households with children and pets. Engineered for minimal noise, the fan operates quietly, making it ideal for environments where silence is appreciated, such as bedrooms and offices. The included remote control adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to adjust settings from a distance without having to manually interact with the fan. The Drio Tower Fan offers 6 speed settings and 4 operational modes, e.g., normal, natural, sleep, and auto, providing versatile options to suit different preferences and needs. Product 2. Product name Samsung Stove Knob. The Samsung Stove Knob, particularly the model DG64-00473B, is a replacement part designed for various Samsung range models. This knob is essential for controlling the burners on the stove, ensuring users can efficiently manage their cooking temperatures. Benefits. Restored functionality. Replacing worn-out knobs with the DG64-00473B ensures that the stove functions properly, maintaining the efficiency and safety of the cooking process. Aesthetic maintenance. With a design that matches the original knobs, these replacements help in maintaining the visual appeal of the kitchen appliance. Cost-effective solution. Rather than replacing the entire range or dealing with malfunctioning burners, replacing just the knobs is a more economical solution. Product 3. Product name Par 3 Golf Putting Green. The Par 3 Golf Putting Green is a specialized and smaller version of a golf course designed specifically to enhance and practice putting skills. Unlike full-scale golf courses, a Par 3 putting green focuses on short-distance shots, typically involving holes that are 100 yards or less from the tee to the cup. These greens are ideal for golfers looking to improve their short game, providing a more focused and manageable environment for practicing putts and approach shots. The layout of a Par 3 golf putting green mimics the challenges and intricacies of a regular golf course, but on a smaller scale. It includes various slopes, undulations, and obstacles to simulate real golfing conditions, making it an excellent training ground for honing precision and control. This type of green is often used by beginners for skill development and by experienced golfers for refining their technique. Product 4. Product name Large Breed Cat Anti-Scratch Furniture Protector. The Large Breed Cat Anti-Scratch Furniture Protector is designed to cater to the specific needs of cat owners who have larger feline companions. This product aims to safeguard furniture from the scratching tendencies of indoor cats, particularly those of larger breeds known for their stronger and more destructive scratching behavior. Key features. Durability. Constructed from robust materials to withstand the force and frequency of scratching by large breed cats. Size appropriateness. The protector is adequately sized to cover larger areas of furniture, ensuring comprehensive protection for sofas, chairs, and other upholstery. Transparency. Often made from clear or semi-transparent materials, these protectors blend with the decor of your home without being an eyesore. Ease of installation. Designed for hassle-free application, many of these protectors come with self-adhesive backs or easy-to-use securing methods that ensure they stay in place even under heavy use. Non-toxic materials. Safe for pets and humans, these protectors are typically made from non-toxic, pet-friendly materials. Product 5. Product name Electric Heated Lunchbox. The Electric Heated Lunchbox 100W is a versatile and innovative solution for individuals seeking a convenient way to enjoy hot meals on the go. Designed with practicality and user-friendliness in mind, this lunchbox caters to a variety of environments, including cars, trucks, offices, and homes. Key features. 12V/24V compatibility. ideal for use in cars and trucks, allowing users to heat their meals during commutes or on long journeys. 110V compatibility, perfect for home and office use, providing flexibility and convenience wherever a standard electrical outlet is available. 1.8L capacity. The lunchbox offers ample space to store a substantial meal, making it suitable for adults with larger appetites or those who prefer to pack multiple meal components. Leak-proof compartment lid ensures that food stays fresh and contained, preventing spills and maintaining the integrity of the meal during transport. 100W heating element provides fast and efficient heating, ensuring that meals are warmed up quickly and evenly. Self-heating function eliminates the need for external heating sources, making it an independent and portable solution for hot meals. Portable design. Compact and easy to carry, this lunchbox is designed for people on the move, whether traveling by car, working in an office, or needing a quick and hot meal at home. 3-in-1 functionality. The ability to connect to various power sources, 12V, 24V, and 110V, makes it highly adaptable to different settings and needs. Product 6. Product name Solar Motion Sensor Alarm. The Solar Motion Sensor Alarm is a versatile security device designed for outdoor use, offering a robust solution for enhancing safety across various types of properties such as homes, villas, farms, barns, yards, and chicken coops. This alarm system features a powerful 130 dB sound siren and an integrated light, providing an effective deterrent against intruders. Key features. Solar-powered. Equipped with solar panels, this alarm system harnesses solar energy to remain operational without the need for constant battery replacements or complex wiring. This makes it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Motion detection. The alarm system uses advanced motion sensor technology to detect movement within its coverage area. Upon detecting motion, it triggers the alarm and light, alerting homeowners or property managers to potential intrusions. High-volume siren. With a sound level of 130 dB, the siren is loud enough to alert people in the vicinity and deter trespassers. Product 7. Product name Automatic Electric Nail Clipper. The Automatic Electric Nail Clipper is an innovative grooming device designed to simplify the nail clipping process for users of all ages, from babies to seniors. This tool is equipped with several features that enhance its functionality and safety, making it suitable for a wide range of users, including caregivers. Key features. LED light. The built-in LED light ensures precision and visibility, allowing users to trim nails accurately, even in low-light conditions. This is particularly beneficial for trimming small or delicate nails, such as those of babies and children. 2 speed settings. The device offers 2 speed options, providing versatility to accommodate different nail thicknesses and user preferences. The lower speed is gentle enough for babies and children, while the higher speed is effective for adults and seniors with tougher nails. Nail scrap storage. The clipper is designed with a storage compartment that collects nail clippings, keeping the surrounding area clean and making the trimming process more convenient. This feature is especially useful for maintaining hygiene and ease of disposal. USB rechargeable. The nail clipper is powered by a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring portability and eliminating the need for disposable batteries. This eco-friendly aspect makes it a practical and sustainable choice for users. Safety. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of this nail clipper. It minimizes the risk of accidental cuts and injuries, making it a safe option for children, the elderly, and individuals with limited dexterity.